Did you know that right now, 95% of people using AI are literally doing it entirely wrong, and it's costing them hours every single week? So today, in this explainer, we're ripping the lid off Google NotebookLM's hidden capabilities, showing you exactly how to turn your chaotic, messy data into a totally automated, highly efficient second brain. Let's get right into it.
Here's the crazy reality. You are probably wasting massive amounts of time. Most folks, they're treating this tool like a basic chat window, tapping into maybe 5% of its actual power. They are completely missing out on the advanced workflows that top startup founders, researchers, and productivity experts are quietly using to pull ahead. Well, we're going to change that for you right now.
To get why this is such a massive paradigm shift, we have to look at the core problem. You want accurate, reliable answers for your work, right? But standard AI, well, it hallucinates. It searches the random noisy web and, honestly, just makes things up half the time. So NotebookLM fixes this by strictly utilizing only your uploaded knowledge base. It uses that powerful Gemini reasoning to connect the dots inside your specific data. It doesn't guess, it just knows exactly what you feed it.
All right, Section 1, Fixing Your Messy Data.
This is the pre-processing loop. And honestly, it might be the absolute smartest workflow you learned today. You often upload massive, bulky files, but then you get these cluttered, confusing answers from the AI. So you fix this with a super simple 4-step loop. First, upload those raw files. Second, have it generate a studio guide or summary. Third, convert that clean summary into a brand new source document. And fourth, delete the messy originals. Boom. You've just compressed the AI's knowledge into a sleek, optimized database, completely cutting out the noise.
And here is where it gets incredibly cool with handling updates. Most people just upload static PDFs, right? But those are dead the second your team changes a single word. Instead of manually swapping out files all the time, you can link live Google Docs. The AI workspace automatically syncs your latest team updates, coding docs, and meeting notes, zero manual re-uploading. It becomes this dynamic, living workspace that is absolutely perfect for fast-paced startup teams or managing standard operating procedures.
Moving right along, Section 2, Bypassing System Limits.
Now, this trick genuinely feels like you've unlocked a cheat code. You want to give the AI incredibly complex instructions, but eventually you're going to hit that annoying prompt length limit in the chat box. So what do? You create a master Google Doc, call it something like system_instruction_v1, and just dump all your formatting rules, writing styles, and output requirements in there. Upload it as a source, and simply tell the AI, hey, review the system instruction doc first, then apply those rules to my other sources. You've just built yourself a powerful hidden system prompt.
This targeted approach lets you bypass garbage outputs entirely. Vague prompts? They give you weak, messy answers. But explicitly targeting specific files and sections, like telling it to compare demographics in File A to Section 3 of File B, gives you incredibly clean, precise logic for your large projects. You are literally forcing the AI to look exactly where you want it to look. Small tweak, massive improvement.
Up next, Section 3, Your New Research Analyst.
Imagine running an adversarial audit where you literally ask the AI to rip your own documents apart. Seriously, you ask it to identify contradictions, missing context, and weak arguments across everything you've uploaded. Feed it your startup strategy, and it'll pinpoint the logical flaws. Toss in academic research, and it exposes conflicting stats. It does the grueling, heavy lifting of a human analyst in literal seconds, stress testing your ideas before they ever see the light of day.
And you absolutely do not have to settle for that generic robotic AI voice. You can permanently define its persona right in the custom chat settings. Just tell it, respond in concise, executive-level bullet points suitable for investors. Set it once, and your generic bot transforms into a tailored expert. Have it speak like a CEO, or tell it to break down insanely complex engineering concepts using beginner analogies. The consistency here is just unreal.
Let's jump into Section 4, Total Content Automation.
Picture pure workflow magic. By uploading just one single source document, like a dense research paper or a massive transcript, you can explode it into multiple completely different assets. From that one file, you instantly generate YouTube scripts, podcast outlines, newsletters, social media posts, study guides, the whole shebang. It literally turns 1 hour of effort into 10 pieces of output, saving creators and researchers so many hours of manual writing.
Oh, and we're not just talking about text outputs here. NotebookLM is highly multimodal. You can generate dynamic audio overviews of your research and listen to them like a podcast on your morning commute. You can explore visual mind maps to understand concepts spatially. You can even automate slide decks by uploading an old presentation and telling the AI, hey, match the typography and branding of these reference templates. It creates a completely unified, visually consistent system.
Which brings us to our ultimate climax, Section 5, building your second brain.
So most users make the exact same mistake. They create dozens of tiny, fragmented notebooks for every single little project. Do not do that. Instead, build one giant everything notebook. NotebookLM actually allows up to 50 massive sources in a single space. Dump your journals, business ideas, transcripts, and research all into one mega hub. Suddenly, you can ask, what recurring themes show up in my startup ideas over the last year? You are creating a fully searchable, synthesized memory system.
It even handles the messy, analog parts of your life. Snap a photo of your chaotic whiteboard or scribbled notes from a meeting and upload it. The AI digitizes it into searchable text. Spend 20 minutes brainstorming with it, and then, instead of just walking away, prompt it to convert that chaotic brainstorm into a highly organized, step-by-step execution plan. You literally go from a messy photo to a concrete task list in minutes.
Look, treating NotebookLM as your actual AI operating system isn't just about saving time. It is a massive competitive advantage. From pre-processing loops to generating full action plans, the leverage here is completely unparalleled. But the real question is, how are you going to use it first? We've covered a ton of ground in this explainer today, so I want to know, what is the absolute best NotebookLM hack you're going to deploy right now? Drop your answer in the comments below. Get out there and take control of your data.